Kelsey.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, pretty good, thanks. Long time no see.
No kidding. Where are you right now?
Just finished up with class. I'm chilling here in Poly Hall. Yeah, what are you? What are you up to?
I'm actually in Varner. Just got out of class too.
You're in Varner. Well, you should take a jog across the parking lot and meet me over here for some coffee.
I would love to. I can meet you there in a couple minutes.
Okay, Poly Cafe.
Yep, sounds good.
Works for me. See you in a couple.
Sounds good. Bye.
All right, bye. Thank you for meeting here with me today. Okay, so, you know, I know we've been friends for a while. We both go to Oakland. I don't think that I've ever asked you how you are academically. You know what I mean? We've never studied together. We've never really even talked about it. So, what kind of student are you?
Yeah, well, you know, I'm a junior here. I'm studying social work and Spanish, double majoring, and I live on campus.
Oh, you live on campus?
I do. I work as an academic peer mentor on campus.
Oh, you do?
Yes.
Okay, I've heard about this, kind of. What's an academic peer mentor? Just tell me about it.
We, like I said, live in the residence halls. We live in all the different buildings that there are, put on different programs for our residents that have an academic-based focus. We also, our biggest thing is tutoring nights. So 8 to 11, Monday through Thursday night, we hold tutoring nights, so that's a fabulous resource that we have.
I'm kind of a bad student. I guess I'm just trying to see what a good student is. You know, and I feel like we've never really talked about that. I know you are one. So tell me how you are as a student.
Well, I'm the type of student who I'll go to every single class regardless of if I want to, if it's snowing outside, I'm tired, or even if the professor, like this for today, my class, my professor is like, oh, you don't have to come, we're just gonna have a really quick class.
Right.
I'll be there.
Right. See, I'm not that kind of person. Maybe that's something that I need to work on in hindsight. What would you say that your biggest challenge is as a student? You said you live on campus. You know, I know that everybody's got a different set of challenges here at Oakland and with university life in general. Do you think that living on campus has a different set of challenges for you than it would somebody who lives off campus? I've talked to both, you know.
Yeah, I definitely do. I feel that there's so many activities going on, and you know, every time I walk to my room, the walls are plastered with different activities I can go to. Sometimes I have to say no to those because those are distractions, but most of the time it's like I'll make time for them because they look really interesting. Also, the added distraction of having a roommate. So if she brings in friends or is watching TV or listening to music when I'm trying to study.
It's good that you've got so many activities though. You don't have to spend as much time in your room necessarily.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
yes.
What strategies do you find most effective in doing all of those things? Organizing yourself, managing your time, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera.
My biggest thing is to-do lists and reminders. So I use both paper methods and phone. For phone, I'll use the reminders app on my iPhone.
Oh.
I'll also write notes. You know, there's a notes app.
I feel kind of like a caveman. You know, I have a smartphone, but it's like, I don't know how to use it.
It's pretty simple. If you go on the reminders app, you can just type something in and then set what time you want it to remind you that something is due or that you need to start something.
Okay.
Yes, it's like an alarm, exactly.
Fair enough.
As far as the paper to-do lists go, I like being able to cross something out. It makes me feel like I'm getting somewhere, getting something done. And I like writing out exactly what my day is going to look like. So I'll write hour blocks, like 1 to 5 tutoring center, 6 to 7 class.
See, I don't know if that would work for me. My entire backpack is just one huge clump of loose leaf papers. So,
so maybe using the iPhone would be better.
Maybe the iPhone would be a little bit better. But, you know, kind of on that note, actually, somebody like me who struggles to do even the most basic things where studying is concerned, do you have any advice just bettering myself?
Trying to stay away from distractions, so like Facebook or Netflix. So many people get so distracted by Netflix and their whole day is gone before they know it. Shutting your computer and, you know, just keeping that book in front of you.
Yeah.
That's really important.
Can I take breaks or?
Absolutely. Don't feel like you have to study 24/7. Taking 5-10 minute breaks every half an hour or so is excellent.
Yeah, that's like a mental block for me. It's just like this chasm of studying just before me, and it's
so stressful.
Yeah, right, exactly. You said your roommate was like really distracting a lot of the time. So, where do you study? Do you have any favorite study spaces or anything like that? I mean,
in East Vandenberg Hall, we hold our tutor nights. The Technology Center is open all day long. So you can go in there, it's super quiet, it's a great study space.
Okay. All right. What about the library? I mean, I'm always trying to go to the library. I see that people are studying in the library, but it's just too distracting.
Yeah.
Everybody yelling about everything, you know?
Whenever I study in the library, will go to the basement. There's separate study rooms. So if you need music, you can use music.
There are study rooms in the basement?
Yeah, absolutely. And there's different sizes. There's no distractions down there. It's great.
Oh. Yeah, I didn't even know that. I'm always just on the main floor, you know, like dealing with people fighting and
yeah, no, I never
copying things loudly, you know.
Yeah.
So, all right, well, that's awesome. I didn't know about that. So,
yeah, I would definitely try it.
Knowledge is power, I guess they say. Yeah. Do you have any parting words for me? Like any little tidbits or tips or whatever? I'm really looking to get anything I can here.
I would definitely suggest prioritizing.
Yeah.
So if you have an assignment that's due tomorrow, don't work on the assignment that's due next week. I have a tendency to want to do that.
Procrastination is my thing.
Yeah, but definitely try to prioritize, and then also don't forget to have fun. There's so many fun things on campus too.
All right. I will keep that in mind, and hopefully I will do well and graduate on time.
Yeah, good luck.
So, yeah. What have you got planned for the rest of the day?
Well, I have to run to class, and then I have to do tutoring.
You don't want to skip.